Focus is designed to help you focus. Wouldn't it be nice if on demand, with no drugs, with no having to do anything, you can just put a headphone on, select start, and within a couple seconds, there's no distractions in your brain. You're highly intentional, you're focused on exactly what you want to focus on, and you're able to get more done in less time. This is the ultimate efficiency tool and the ultimate focus tool, and it's called Focus. So there are two ways to use this. One is in your office with a good speaker. You can play Focus in the background all day long. One of the cool things about Focus is we're taking you to 18.4 hertz and we're kind of cycling you around 15 to 20 hertz. There's no harm, no foul there. You can't do anything dangerous to yourself. So you can listen to this as long as you want and as much as you want. I personally use this on a speaker for most of the workday, but when I need to be intentional, I don't want to make any mistakes and I don't want this to take too long, I put headphones on for Focus, and I love the music. Because we're in a higher frequency, we can be a little bit more upbeat with our music, whether it's piano, guitar. So headphone in my office, selecting Focus on the app, clarity, concentration, and comprehension. Hit continue, any focus track. And what's crazy is you get in that zone and you're working, you feel good because there's no distractions in your brain, and all of a sudden 60 minutes has gone by. It's like, how did that happen? It's amazing. Focus is the key, amazing productivity tool for all of us who want to get more done in less time without medication.